So, hi everybody, a very good morning. Hope you're well, hope you're doing good. And my video finds you in good health and spirits. One day, before the weekend, at least in New Delhi, India, I'm Jashi Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. So, what do you see behind me? A tree. And what do you see behind me? A car. And where am I sitting? I'm sitting in an open space. Actually, this kind of a space which you find mostly everywhere around in your neighborhood and city, but I would advise and I would give you a reminder to not park your cars under a tree, okay, and to not be sitting under a tree, especially in this weather, because if you go further down the roads, we've got an electrical wire which has fallen down, and that whole area got a little burnt, so the trees are being cut down and everything. Luckily, no damage happened to the house or to the cars and stuff. But this is something which I shared a few weeks back also, that please avoid parking your cars or your vehicles or standing under trees and stuff, especially in this weather when you've got the sandstorms and you've got the um, lightning, thunder, and almost monsoons have begun and stuff. So there at the end of the road, at that crossing, there are these workers who are doing the work. So just a reminder, since you're going to be in the city in Delhi, NCR, and rains have started everywhere. Delhi is also on a alert and stuff. Avoid this whole idea of parking your car under a tree. So you can see that there are already some branches which have come on this one and stuff. Luckily, it's got saved. We had branches of a tree fall down on one vehicle parked somewhere under my building, and secondly, I was watching this video, and because I'm now in design and interior decoration, and I kind of recommend also on architectural works and stuff, a good thing to do would be to speak to your societies and building reps about your high storied apartments and buildings and stuff, the villas, the offices, the co-working spaces, high-rise buildings, to get their structures checked in stuff from time to time, because there's been a accident which they've kind of deviated and they've redirected towards safety abroad. Follow it. San Francisco, one of the buildings was beginning to tilt a little bit and stuff, so people were really scared about it. And when they researched and when they found out, the engineer stepped in, they found out that the structure at the bottom was a little shaky and stuff. This was a result of the weather and everything also, but more because of another construction taking place in the adjacent building. So India mein, Delhi mein, I don't see, or I've not really seen people, kind of stepping in, checking the structures and stuff. So this is a little concerning and stuff. So do that. Speak to your cluster head, speak to your building head, speak to your society people, speak to whoever's a concerned person and stuff, or the team, and do a check on the base of your building and stuff, because in Delhi we've had so many earthquakes over the years and stuff, and you've seen recently with the bad construction and stuff, we had a mishap in Delhi, and the building fell down, the hotel fell, collapsed, and there were deaths and stuff, so we could always avoid that. Okay, so the purpose is not to spread fear or panic and stuff like that. As you can sense in my voice and my tone and stuff, it's little concerning, and it's always a good idea to be a little far sighted about such accidents which can be avoided, right? So love and luck. So firstly, avoid parking your cars under trees and places which have got wires, and number two, do not stand under trees and areas which are with the wires and stuff and all that. And number three, try and get the get the structures of your buildings checked from time to time, because of the safety concerns and stuff like that. So this is going to come handy for those who believe in being a little sensible and being a little far-sighted. So jkapani at gmail.com, jashinkapani at gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. This is unedited. Follow me, like me, or whatever. So the point is to not get noticed, but the point, and to not get likes, the point is to share the awareness and information and stuff, right? So these dogs are also having a good time. इनके लिए कोई घर ही नहीं है, So a good idea would be to kind of raise your voices and still advocate and speak strongly about providing animal homes on the street, right where those animals are. Relocating is not a good idea and stuff. And dogs and animals are connected to the places where they are born in and they grow up, and people around and stuff. And secondly, try and see if you can have them vaccinated, and you can have medical help provided to them if they're not feeling well and stuff. Try feeding, because I was following videos where staircase have got flooded and homes have got flooded, and people are actually climbing up to feed dogs and stuff. So हमारे ग्रंथ, हमारे religious texts, हमारे भजन कीर्तन, they all tell us to have this value of seva. What I'm saying is that even our bhajans, kirtans, mantras, and holy books for so many years I've been preaching this and teaching this, that have kindness and compassion and be involved in community service. So start from wherever you can, and it doesn't have to be over the top kind of a thing. You walk around the city, you see that an animal needs to be rescued or a cat needs to be rescued. I've got like 6 kittens here, I just noticed. Or you see someone on the street in a bad spot or a tight spot, just extend a little bit of help and be kind. For the dogs and kittens, you can always have milk or rice and chapati and paneer water, and you can have whatever you want to feed them. And for cows also, of course. So very important is to kind of be a little thoughtful and kind and warm towards all of this. I got to scoot. Take care. Bye bye.